how this Canadian couple just melted 100 grand from their mortgage in only 24 months without changing a family budget by a single penny. Tune in with me because I'm going to show you the exact way Regia and Nomina did using the CRA-approved strategy that most landlords have not heard of. If you would like to view the full video of my clients, comment me below. Hello everyone, my name is Sylvia Ho and I'm a financial landlord consultant and a mortgage agent for the last 25 years. I'm also known as the cash damming queen. I work solely with landlords to help them save money, reduce taxes, and decrease the interest paid to the banks. If you love my weekly training, please comment below, like, love, or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Regia and Nomina are successful landlords with 2 rental condos, but like most Canadian property owners, they were drowning in mortgage debt and watching their hard-earned money disappear to the banks every single month. They were earning great income, but they were getting crushed by Canada's brutal tax system. Even though their rentals were generating cash flow, their primary residence mortgage balance was barely budging. Does this sound familiar? Here's what happened after we implemented an advanced financial strategy called rental cash damming. In just 24 months, their primary residence mortgage dropped from $695,000 to $595,000. That's 100 grand. Poof, gone. But here's the kicker. Their family lifestyle did not change at all. Same budget, same monthly cash flow, zero extra money out of their pocket. Regia told me something that really struck me. He said, Sylvia, did we ever think that in 2 years, without any change to our family lifestyle, our mortgage would disappear by 100 grand? It's phenomenal. So how did they do it? They used a 5-step rental cash damming process that every Canadian landlord needs to know about. This is a CRA-approved strategy that allows you to pay off your personal home mortgage 8 to 12 years earlier than planned. Let me break it down to you in 5 steps. Step number 1, make your regular mortgage payments. Continue making your normal mortgage payments just as usual. Nothing changes here. Step number 2, make lump sum payments equal to your rental income. And here's where it gets really interesting. Take every dollar of rental income from your properties and apply it as a lump sum payment directly to your primary residence. This immediately starts melting away your principal balance. Step number 3, access your home equity line of credit. Draw from your HELOC an amount equal to your rental expenses plus any shortfall. This is the money you'll use to cover all your property rental expenses. Step number 4, pay your rental expenses. Use the HELOC funds to pay for your rental mortgage, your rental property taxes, your rental condo fees, your rental insurance, rental maintenance, and anything associated with the rental properties. Step number 5, rinse and repeat. Do this every single month. Your rental income goes to crush that primary mortgage and your HELOC covers your rental expenses. The cycle continues month after month. The beautiful thing about this strategy is that there's no CRA rule that says you must use your rental income to pay for your rental expenses. When you get that rental income come in, you can do whatever you want with it. You can strategically reallocate your cash flow to work harder for you. Now, when Regia first heard about this, he wasn't skeptical because he'd done his research on the Smith maneuver. But he told me the biggest challenge wasn't understanding the concept. It was the technical implementation. He said you need to be very organized and you want to make sure you do things legally. You need to know what you're doing, and that's exactly right. This strategy, this 5-step strategy, sounds super simple on paper, but the implementation requires the right mortgage product, the proper accounting setup, and someone, me, who knows the technical details inside and out. Let me tell you what else happened for Regia and Nomina beyond the 100 grand mortgage reduction. Their tax refunds increased because they were deducting the interest costs on the line of credit to run their landlord business. And now CRA is paying them to be a landlord. Like, how cool is that? Another plus was they gained complete clarity on their financial picture. Risha said, having the strategy has helped our relationship because speaking about money as husband and wife is never easy. But being able to do this together has been important for us. And then the third plus was since they immigrated to Canada over 20 years ago, they wanted to ensure their children will have real estate opportunities that they had. So by having rental properties, they have built a solid foundation for generational wealth. And their mortgage freedom timeline has been accelerated by years, all while maintaining their exact family lifestyle. Now, my friends, this strategy is not for everyone. It requires the right mortgage structure. Not just any HELOC will work effectively. Most landlords are stuck with basic mortgage products, and that will limit their wealth building potential. You need to work with someone who specializes in this strategy because one mistake could cost you thousands and put you offside with CRA. Here's what Risha wants other landlords to know. Be open-minded and accept that you cannot understand everything. You need someone to help you through it because the benefits by far outweighs the hurdles. And Nomina added, working with someone who understands and specializes in it because there are CRA risks that if you're not doing it properly. Now, in this interview, Risha was very clear. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're looking for that, the strategy is definitely not for you. But if you have long-term goals and want clarity, it's phenomenal. If you are a Canadian landlord and you're tired of watching your mortgage balance barely move each month, if you want to discover how many years you can shave off of your mortgage timeline without changing your family budget, then I invite you to book a complimentary mortgage freedom strategy session with me. During this call, we'll analyze your numbers, your specific situation, and we'll create a custom roadmap for your mortgage freedom timeline. Comment mortgage freedom below, and I'll send you a link to my personal calendar. This strategy transformed Risha and Nomina's financial future in just 24 months. Imagine where you could be 24 months from now. Don't let another month go by watching your money disappear to the banks when you could be building your family's wealth instead. Book a complimentary call with me today. Thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Sylvia Ho. I'm your financial landlord consultant and mortgage agent for the last 25 years. I'm also known as your Cash Damage Queen. I'll see you next week on our next training session. And remember, if you want to watch the full testimonial, comment me below. Take care, my friends.